Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Harley-Davidson here. I want to walk you through the CVO Road Glide ST for 2025. This bike was inspired by the Moto America King of the Baggers race bikes. Really looking to take that hot rod bagger, performance bagger trend, take it to custom vehicle operations. It's loaded to the gills with performance parts, weight components, so much so that we're about 25 pounds lighter than the comparable CVO Road Glide. Let's start getting into it. So think about the powertrain. Milwaukee-Eight 121 high output, 127 horsepower, 145 pounds of torque. It's so fun to ride. Lightweight cast aluminum wheels up front, forged carbon fiber front fender. From a suspension standpoint up front, fully adjustable, inverted 47mm front forks. The front forks have a diamond-like coating on them that really helps improve durability, reduces friction. And then as you get down to the bottom, radial-mounted calipers and a performance dual floating rotor. Obviously, we've got a solo seat here and a carbon fiber seat cowl right here behind it. And then dual remote reservoir shocks. The bike is truly set up to mimic those King of the Bagger race bikes. With the exception of, you also get the Skyline OS with a 12.3-inch TFT. You've got Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 audio, and then selectable ride modes, including 2 new ones just for the CVO Road Glide ST, Track and Track Plus, that allow you to unlock more performance. The bike does come standard with rider safety enhancements for extra peace of mind when things get a little unpredictable. So you've got cornering ABS, cornering traction control, drag torque slip control, TPMS. This one here, this is your Rally Red color for 2025. We also have Mercury Silver and Hot Lap. Hot Lap was a cool color we introduced at Daytona last year and got such good reception to it. We put it into production for 2025. So I really hope you have a chance to get out to your local dealer, check this bike out. It's going to blow your mind.